everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. So we're doing a very unique color combo today. It was a girl that I ran across on Instagram. I don't know her name, but I will shout her out and give her page information when I post on Instagram. I'll try and have a picture somewhere on this video so y'all can see the look that I'm trying to do today. Pretty much I really want to do the whole routine on camera, since sometimes I do eyebrows, sometimes I do my whole face regimen, sometimes I do my well, I always do my eye look on camera, so I'm just gonna do everything today. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe when you can. Definitely subscribe, and make sure to follow my Instagram, Rudy Tate with an underscore. See the day where I would be waxing my own eyebrows, because you know eyebrows are very important, especially to me, so you don't want to mess up, but at the same time, if you can do it on yourself, then I feel like you can try doing it on others too. So that's why I did it on myself. Definitely matte. I'll give it that. It is very matte. And you know, I used to be that girl that loved matte everything, but then I realized I am more dry than oily, and I don't want to look more drier than I am. Like, the matte look is cool, but I don't know. I feel like matte is really good more for like the winter time, but I can't overdo it anymore. Not that I can't, I just don't want to. But yeah, going through Instagram, I really loved that look. Like, I just thought that was so freaking beautiful. I wish I had the bonnet too, so that I could really kind of, you know, recreate the look, but it's okay. I saw that, I said, oh yes sis, that's the one. And it's crazy because usually I don't really redo looks like that. I just kind of, you know, admire it and, you know, just go on about my day. But man, that was pretty. And we're just going to blend that out. Lately I've been doing this because, you know, you don't want it to still be wet. And I would do the setting powder, but I don't know, it just, I think it dried it out a little too much and then changed the color of the eyeshadow, so I'm just going to do it this way for a little bit, see how I like it a little more. Okay, we're gonna see if we could get really close to the oranges that she used. So we're gonna go in with my Nubian 2 Juvia's palette. OMG! We had some technical difficulties. I did not know that colors could just fall out like that, but they can. So we're just gonna place that back there, okay? So we're gonna go in with Morocco. That's pretty much the color that it's all over the lid. It's just orange. Make sure we blend out the top really good, because you know we don't want it to just be sitting there, you know what I'm saying? We already know this. If y'all watch me, y'all know you're supposed to be blending away, okay sis? Because you know I made that mistake too once upon a time. I used to not blend anything. I used to just, you know, plop it there and, you know, go about my day thinking I was the bomb.com, and guess what? I was not. Yes I was, but now I know better. And now we're gonna go in our tear duct with a really pretty shimmery pop of color, like the one that she got in her picture. I feel like Zuri, there we go. I feel like Zuri is gonna be a really nice color in that tear duct. So we're gonna try that. I mean, there's really no trying. It's just gonna have to work, honestly, because it's already gonna be there. And if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to take it all off, start over. So this is just gonna have to work, sis. And And pretty much we're kind of done with the eye look, which was really easy. Now we're gonna go in with my old NYX liner. This is one of my favorite blue liners, and I feel like she probably used this too. So we're gonna plop that on the eyes to finish this eye look. I am so thrilled at how fast this look was, because now, like, just gotta go in with the lashes, do my face, and then we'll be done. And then we're still going in with my mist lashes. I forgot which number these were. I think it was the 811s, and I've been using them a lot because I really love how dramatic they look. So, but they are really thick though, I will tell y'all that. Alright, so we got the eye look finished. Now we're gonna move on to like my foundation, concealer, all that good stuff. But first, before moving into that, you wanna make sure that you use a primer. If you ever have problems with your makeup staying on for or not for the rest of the day, it's because you probably don't put on primer, you don't use a setting powder, or you don't use a setting spray. So, we're gonna go in with my Cover FX primer. It's a dewy hydrating primer. You can see I'm dewy, right? Some good stuff. I'm gonna go in with my Quick Fix by Urban Decay, just to give me some extra hydration. Kind of just let it dry just a little bit. And then we'll go in with my Tarte foundation. Like, this is the foundation I've been using a lot, and I love it. I'm gonna get it again one of these days. I'm using a beauty blender right now because I think I used a little bit too much foundation today, but that's okay. As long as you just keep blending away, you should be good, sis. That color I used in my tear duct, I'm gonna have to use that on my brow bone, because that's a pretty color. Maybe not for a highlighter on the cheeks, but you know, that's a good little color. Good little color. Okay, so I'm just gonna hurry up and pop that on the brow bone. That was my first time using that color though. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with my Too Faced concealer in the color Chestnut, and we're just gonna put that in the areas that I usually highlight. With my Ebony Black Opal foundation, but I use it as a contour because it's really hard trying to find a contour color for black women that actually works. So we're just gonna improvise. We're just gonna make some work. We're just gonna put that in contour areas. Contoured up, especially because in her picture she looked like she was really contoured up, the F up. So we're going to do that up today. And of course we're gonna blend this out. I just want to make sure that we're gonna be set, you know what I'm saying? Make sure we get that in the hairline. Then we're gonna get on the cheekbone, kind of just blend all that. blending and the power of beauty blenders is beautiful. Okay, so we got all that worked up, right? So we're gonna go in with an angled brush and go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills in Mahogany, and we're just going to warm all that up. Some more. And you know, your girls like to be warm. So we're really just setting that. Now we're gonna set my under eyes with my Benari powder. This is in the color Camel. I don't know if I've ever told y'all that. If I have, you know again, be grateful. I'm just gonna set them under eyes. Set the chin, set up her, set my mouth. And I really feel like a pop of orange under my eye would really just bring out the orange. So we're gonna go back in with the orange that I used on my lid and put it on the bottom. And just so that the color will stand out more, I usually spray my setting spray on it just to give it a little bit more of a creamier consistency, so it'll go on a lot better and stand out more too. Okay, this has been setting long enough, so we're just going to brush that off. Now we're gonna go in with Serafina, which is by Juvia's as well, and just plop that right there. You know, get that cute color pop of pink. Man, I used to be so scared of blush. Now I love it. And then kind of just use your beauty blender to press it in and use whatever color that was in there to kind of, you know, just blend it all together. Okay, now we're gonna go with my Juvia's highlighter. Can y'all tell what's one of my favorite products too? Okay, we're just gonna pop that on the cheekbone. Get a little bit on the bridge of the nose, get a little bit on the tip of the nose. Okay, so I also noticed in the picture she really did a pretty pink lip, and you know how I am with my nude pinks, so you know that ain't no problem.
That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem. Well,
so we're gonna go on with my regular colors like I always go on with, but this time I'm going to make the lip a little bit more ombre. Gotta hydrate the lips first. With my MAC lipstick, which is called Modesty. Not sure if it's still in MAC or not, but one of these days I'll find out. All right, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if I did not talk as much, I'm sorry, but I really needed to focus because doing it's hard to explain. Doing a makeup tutorial on a look that you saw and you want to mimic it, it's kind of like, I got to make sure I do this right. But so far, I really love it. This was a great color combo. But make sure to subscribe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to follow my Instagram, Rudy Tate with an _, same with Twitter if you're interested in following my Twitter. Make sure to follow my Snapchat, DDCheck, and if you have any other video suggestions, please just leave them down below, okay guys? Thanks again, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.